Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Illustrator to Adobe Stock for brand assets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select Libraries from the drop-down menu. In the Libraries panel, locate the Search Adobe Stock option. Type in keywords related to the brand assets you need. Press the Enter key to search for relevant assets. Browse through the search results provided by Adobe Stock. Once you find an asset that suits your needs, click on it. A preview window will open, showcasing the details of the asset. Click on the License button to obtain the asset for your project. If prompted, select the appropriate license type based on your requirements. After licensing, the asset will automatically be added to your Libraries panel. From the Libraries panel, drag and drop the asset onto your Illustrator artboard. Adjust the positioning and size of the asset as needed for your design. Use the asset along with your other design elements to create a cohesive brand asset. Continue to explore Adobe Stock for additional resources as your project evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.